Today, I'll walk you through how to install an SSL certificate for a lifetime on Cloudflare, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to secure your website with an SSL certificate, so you can enhance your site's security and build trust with your visitors. First, let's open your Cloudflare dashboard. This is the control center for managing your website settings and security. Simply log into your Cloudflare account and you should see your dashboard in front of you. Next, click on the Domains tab and then select Overview. Here, you will see a list of your domains. Choose the domain for which you want to install the SSL certificate. Now on the left side of the screen, locate and click on the SSL TLS section. This is where you can manage all your SSL settings, ensuring your site is protected. After that, click on Origin Server. This option allows you to create a certificate that will be used on your web server, providing an additional layer of security. In the Validity section, select 15 years. This option ensures that your SSL certificate will last for a long time, providing peace of mind. Once you've made your selection, click on Create. This will generate your SSL certificate, which you can then install on your server. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Cloudflare occasionally updates its interface, but the steps will remain largely the same. And there you have it. You've successfully installed an SSL certificate for a lifetime on Cloudflare. This process not only secures your website, but also boosts your SEO rankings and builds trust with your audience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.